This video shows how to give users in your organization access to Granta MI Pro. Log into your Granta MI application server as an administrator of the local machine. Open Windows Computer Management and choose the Local Users and Groups feature. These local Granta MI user groups are created when the software is installed. Membership of these groups determines who can access Granta MI and their privileges within it. Users in the MI System Admin Group can add databases to your Granta MI Pro system and remove them. They can troubleshoot database and indexing issues, and can also modify some system security settings. MI system administrators do not inherit privileges from any other Granta MI role. Members of this role cannot access any applications or data within your MI Pro system unless they are also a member of one of the other MI system security roles. The user who installs the Granta MI software is automatically added to this group. Users in the MI admin group have data administrator privileges, enabling them to apply data updates to MI Pro materials data after an MI Pro upgrade. The user who installs the Granta MI Pro software is automatically added to this group. Any users who need to be able to apply data updates for MI Pro must also be added to this group. MI Pro materials data owners must be members of the MI Power user group. This allows them to add and edit in-house data and records, and manage the materials in your organization's preferred materials list. To assign users to the Materials Data Owner role, add them to the MI Power user group. MI Pro CAD and CAE users must be members of the MI Read group. This gives them read access to data in Granta MI Pro. Double-click to add domain users or domain groups. Changes will take effect the next time the user logs in. The MI Write and MI Grant groups are used in Granta MI Enterprise but not in Granta MI Pro, so you do not need to add any users to these groups.